Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to remove an extension in Tor Browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you have installed an extension and no longer need it, you can easily uninstall it from the extensions section. Removing unnecessary extensions can help improve privacy and keep your browser clean. So let's get started. First, open Tor Browser on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. After that, click on the triple line menu in the top right corner and select Settings in the drop down menu. Under Tor Settings, select Extensions and Themes in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you will find all the extensions or add-ons installed. Click on triple dot menu beside an extension you want to remove and then select the remove option in the pop-up menu. Click on the remove button to confirm it. That's it. The extension has now been completely removed from your Tor browser. Remember, installing too many extensions can reduce anonymity in Tor browser. It is always recommended to keep only necessary and trusted extensions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.